It's Manila versus Misamis for our inter-province category.
Sige na, di halos chuchu. Oh, start tayo. Hindi 4 minutes. Wala tayo 4 minutes. Start tayo. Alas 10, papatayan na tayo. Alas 10 tayo.
It's Misamis versus Manila. First position of Misamis. Paling Kaluche, Koho. Basta Kaluche, hey, drive. First basket of Kaluche. It's 2-0. Now Simbrano. It's Kaluche. Yes, back-to-back shot on Kaluche. Now 4-0. Simbrano to Keljem. Keljem, let it fly. Bang! On Keljem. Now 3-4. All by Misamis. Pointing to shoot. Yes, on Manila. 5-4. Now 1 point lead on Manila. Pagirigan. Ako Supirano. First attempt, too strong. Rebound on Galang. Now Kaluche, signature shot, short. Nice defense on Supirano. Tagungtong. Yes, on Tagungtong. Now 7-4. It's 3-point lead on Manila.
7-4. That's 7.
Challenge.
Koho, drive. Intercepted again by Subirano. Now Subirano, block by Galang. Pagirigan, 14 to shoot. De Leon. Oh, what a great move coming from De Leon. Now to 9-4, it's 5-point lead on Manila. Kaluche, short. Ibon agad on Kaluche. Now Labarias. Shoot 10. Galang. 5. Koho. Yes, on Koho. Now 9-6. It's 3-point lead on Manila. Kaluche, 9-8. It's 1-point lead against Manila. Foul on number 19 on Labarias. Person Lavarias, first team foul on Misamis. Shot coming from Taguntong. Now 11-8, it's 3-point lead on Manila. Too strong, rebound on Lavarias. Yes, on Lavarias. Now 10-11. It's black ball, Misamis ball. Oh. Nice intercepted by Pagirigan. One-on-one on Kalache. Pagirigan. Pagirigan. Now it's still on Kalache. It's 3-on-2. Lavarias. Too strong by Lavarias. Rebound. It's Misamis ball. 14 to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Kalache, 10. Rebound on Coho. Lavarias. One shot coming from Lavarias. Now 12-11. It's 1-point lead on Misamis. Now Taguntong to Subirano. Subirano. Pagirigan. Drive. Foul. Whoa! Basket count. And one on Pagirigan. Foul on Lavarias. First on Lavarias, second on Misamis. Second on Lavarias. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Kalajuche looking for Nicolas. Lavarias, open jump, rebound on Galang. Galang. Too strong by Galang. Now Taguntong. It's the Mountain Peak. Taguntong. Pass outside. Steal on Lavarias. Now Galang. Galang to Nicolas. Nicolas. Yes on Nicolas. Now 14-13. Taguntong. Selfish card short. Rebound now on Misamis. Kalachuche. 4-on-2. Nice defense on Pagirigan. 18 to shoot. 4 minutes. It's only 1-point lead on Misamis. Still by Manila. Let it fly. Belgium, let it fly. It's 15 to 14. 1-point lead on Manila. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Kalachuche. Favorite shot. Short. Rebound on De Leon. De Leon. Now De Leon looking for let it fly. Keljem. Kadi by Galang. Short top by Pagirigan. Now Nicolas. Lavarias. Kadi by De Leon. De Leon. It's 3-on-2. Looking for Nicolas. Nicolas. Pump jumper. Too strong. Air ball by Nicolas. Now Keljem. Let it fly. Looking for Pagirigan. Rebound on Galang. It's Galang time. Galang time. Galang. Short. Top. It's Manila ball. 3 minutes. Only 1-point lead on Manila. Now the Mountain Peak. Taguntong. Taguntong drive looking for Keljem. Yes on Keljem. Now 17-14. It's 3-point lead on Manila. Kojo.
Long three.
Too strong by Kojo. De Leon. Rebound on De Leon. Now De Leon looking for Subirano. Back to De Leon. Still by Galang. It's time out on Manila. Score 17-16. Only 1-point lead on Manila. This timeout is brought to you by Horror Sports. Basketballista. It's 2 minutes and 27 seconds. We'd like to thank our referees, Referee Mark, Referee Jumo, and our consultant referee, Referee Mike. It's 2 minutes and 24 seconds. 17 against 16. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista, De Leon. Too deep, top. De Leon again, De Leon. Now Keljem, 14 to shoot. Too strong, top. Now Kalatuche. 2 minutes. Kalatuche now, stop, looking for, he's still on Tagumtong. Now Subirano. Looking for Keljem, let it fly, fake. In and out on Keljem. It's Galang time, Galang. Galang John, looking for Kalatuche, block. Labadias, looking for Kojo. Bang, on Kojo. Now 19 to 17, 2-point lead on Misamis. Paghiringan, looking for Subirano, De Leon, 1-1 by Nicolas. De Leon, move, too strong, Keljem, fly. Rebound on Kalatuche. It's 3-on-2. Labadias, fake. Bang on Labadias. Now 21-17. Foul. Foul on Kojo. Third team foul on Misamis. First personal foul on Kojo. It's 1 minute and 9 seconds. Agongtong, the Mountain Peak, Mangongtong, foul. Foul on number 4 on Galang. Warning for penalty on Misamis first. On Galang. One minute. Time out. On Misamis, it's 18 against 21. Only 3-point lead on Manila. And this time out is brought to you by Lipubitan, Red Bull, Chooks to Go, and Magnolia, Sario Manok. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's 21 against 18, all by Misamis. 59 seconds, 59. Now Kalatuche, signature shot, short. Rebound on Keljem. Got it by Kojo. 1-1 by Kojo, defense of Kojo, nice. Looking for De Leon. 1-1 by Galang, blocked by Galang. Here's on De Leon. 21-20. Steal by Keljem. Now Tagumtong, too strong. Nicolas, looking for Kalatuche, 30 seconds. Labaria short. 25 seconds. Subirano. Whoa! Soberano, it's 22 to 21. 15 seconds. 10. Kojo, 5 seconds. Hey! Side step, Euro step, pass outside, Labadias. Pass to Kojo. Short. And a proper score. It's 22 against 21, all 1-point lead on Manila.
Saan ko na lang sa bank account ngayon rin mismo? Actually, dito may balance. May May laro kasi kami sa ano.
Second quarter, Manila ball, Manila.
Yan ka lang, Mazi.
Wala, may laro kami kasi dito.
Pass.
Hindi, dito sa ano.
It's Misamis ball, Manila ball, Manila. Inbounding De La Cruz. Now Mendoza. Pingol. Ilarca. It's only 21 against the 22. Marcelo. Short. Now rebound on the man. Now Pipito. Cardival Mendoza. Now Eugenio now also Eugenio. Bang on Eugenio. Welcome here on Eugenio. Now 23-22. 1 point lead on Musamis. De La Cruz. Looking for Pingol. Pingol, the player of the game. Rebound on Eugenio. Now Eugenio. To Pipito. Eugenio 3-2. Pipito side to Eugenio. Nice pass to Alak. Short top. Rebound on Mendoza. Looking for De La Cruz. 9 minutes. Now De La Cruz. Zigzag. De La Cruz coast to coast. Anyway, Pipito pound. On Pipito. First against Pipito. First team foul on Misamis. De La Cruz. Now Marcelo. 10 to shoot. Marcelo. Oh! Marcelo. Now 24-23. Back to 1 point lead on Manila. Now Pipito. First shot, not good. Now 8 minutes and 20. De La Cruz. Now center play, looking to Pilarca. Pilarca short. Rebound again on Eugenio. Foul. Foul on number 18 on Mendoza. First on Mendoza. First team foul on Manila. 8 minutes. This is just our first game. First match for our inter-province category. Primo. Alak. Again, in and out by Alak. Now Marcelo. Marcelo. Looking for the by Pipito. Pilarca. Troubling violation on Pilarca. Back to back over on Manila. And back-to-back turnover as well as Misamis. Seven minutes and 20. Oh, Alak. Looking for Eugenio. Eugenio time. Eugenio. Oh, short.
Aywa. Aywa.
All on Marcelo. First team foul on Marcelo. Now second team foul on Manila. 24 all. 24. It's 7 minutes. This is our sixth deadlock of the game. Now 1 point lead on Misamis. It's 25-24. First game. First match. Mendoza. Pilarca. Too strong. Rebound on Eugenio. Now 3-2 Alak. Alak. Back-to-back turnover again. On Misamis. It's 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Now De La Cruz. Cardi by Mendoza. De La Cruz. Marcelo. Foul. Whoa! Offensive foul coming from Marcelo. Timeout on Manila. This timeout is brought to you 5 chicks to go. Second personal foul on Marcelo.
Ilang team foul?
Third team foul against Manila. And again, we'd like to thank our referees for tonight. Referee Jomong and Referee Mark for our FIBA referee. 25-24. It's only 1 point lead on Misamis. Now Alak to Pipito. Pipito. Now Pipito, guarded by Eugenio. Eugenio for 3. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Eugenio. Now 28-24. It's 4 point lead now on Misamis. Now Pingol. Pingol, I can shoot also. No, short. Di ba na Marcelo? Marcelo, scoop, short. Marcelo again. Take. Wow. Who's ball up? Foul on Primo. First on Primo. Second team foul on Misamis. Looping throw shot. Coming from Marcelo. Short. It's 28-24. 4 point lead on Misamis. Short. Rebound. Now Eugenio. Eugenio time. Eugenio. Now 30-24. No one can stop Eugenio. Now Mendoza. Let me try. Marcelo scoop. Pow!
70.
What a move coming from Marcelo. Foul on Eugenio. First on Eugenio. Third on Misamis. It's 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 30-34. Nice shot coming from Marcelo. 30 against the 25. All by Misamis. Short. Rebound. On Eugenio. Eugenio again. Eugenio play. Eugenio guarded by... Oh, steal! Small but terrible. De La Cruz. Now De La Cruz to Pingol. Pingol, the man that's too strong. Pilarca, fake. On selfish pass coming from Pilarca to Pingol. It's 30-27. Only 3 point lead on Misamis. Now Alak. Attempt. Hesitate. Looking for Pipito. Pipito. 14 to shoot. Pipito. Nice move. Pipito. Yo-yo move. Too strong. Rebound by Pingol. Now Pilarca. Looking for De La Cruz. De La Cruz. It's 2-on-2. De La Cruz. Let me try. De La Cruz. Bang! Let me try. De La Cruz. 29 against 30. 1 point lead on Misamis. Now Pipito. Still scoreless of the game. Pipito. Looking for his team. Pipito drive. Pipito. Side step. Eugenio. All the way. Bang! Eugenio! 33-39. It's back to 4 point lead on Misamis. Back-to-back 3-point shot coming from Eugenio. It's rebelling violation on Pingol. 4 minutes. It's all by Misamis. Now Pipito. It's Pipito time. Pipito. Guso. Again, tap. Rebound on Pingol. Pingol. Looking for De La Cruz. Now Marcelo. 1-on-1 by Pipito. Marcelo. Let me try. Pilarca. Open jump. Pilarca. Too strong. Rebound again on Eugenio. Alak. Guso. 1-on-1. 2. Pass. Primo. Primo again. Primo. My shot. Short. Now Mendoza. It's 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Mendoza. Guarded by Alak. Now Pilarca. Marcelo scoop. Marcelo turn. Pow! Who's ball rep? Foul on Primo.
Primo second.
Second personal foul on Primo, warning for penalty on the Samis. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's 33 against 30. Nice shot coming from now 31 against 33, 2.3 on Misamis. Now Pipito, 3 minutes. Guso. It's rubbing violations on Guso. Turnover again by Misamis. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 33 to 31. Now Mendoza. Oh! Miscommunication on Manila. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Pipito. Now Pipito. Looking for Guso. Looking for again the mailman, Eugenio Short. We call him down now, the mailman. Now Pipito. Drive, zigzag. The mailman. Bang! Basket count and 1 on the mailman. Eugenio. Now 35 to 31. Who's ball left? Aulo Pingol. Warning now and penalty on Manila. Now 36 to 31. It's 5-point lead on Misamis. 2 minutes. Mendoza. La Cruz. Back to Mendoza. Open shot. Open jumper. Looper. Short. Rebound on Guso. Foul. Foul on Marcelo. Third on Marcelo. Penalty. Now 1 minute 57 seconds remaining on the second quarter. Now Manila and penalty. One minute and 57 seconds. Yes, to Papa Gozo. 37, 31. The mailman, 1-on-1. Mailman, let me fly short. Mailman again. Eugenio. Looking for his teammates. Now, Alak. Hey. Whoa. It's timeout on Misamis. And timeout is brought to you by Skilled Workers. Aldar Suites, Abu Dhabi. And Basketballista. Our next game will be our Enter Emirates. It's Rock versus Al-A. It's 1 minute and 32 seconds. Whoa! Foul! Foul on number 12 on Primo. Penalty. Third personal foul against Primo. It's 1 minute and 25 seconds. 32 to 37. It's 5-point lead on Misamis. Short. Rebound on Pingol. Now 1 minute. De La Cruz. Harassed by Pipito. De La Cruz looking for Pilarga. Pingol. 10 to shoot. 10. Too strong. Rebound on the mailman. Eugenio, not the mailman. The mailman now. Too strong on Eugenio. Now De La Cruz. It's 2-1. De La Cruz looper. Yes, on De La Cruz. Now 34-37. Alak. 1-1 by De La Cruz. Pipito, 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Now Mailman all alone. Short. Rebound on Pingol. Now De La Cruz is 2-1. Pinga De La Cruz, side step De La Cruz. My turn on De La Cruz. 36-37, 5 seconds. And then now for second quarter, our score is 37 against 35, all by Misamis. Third quarter ready, third quarter. It's Misamis ball, Misamis.
Okay, sir, yung lima din, sir, walang papalitan ha. Walang papalitan yan, lima yan, third quarter, walang papalitan.
Now Magalyon now in the ball game. Magalyon. Still on Severano. Alba. 25 Mavi. Alba all the way. On Alba. Now 37 all. Mavi. Crooks. Pilarca. Too strong. Rebound on De Leon. De Leon. It's 37 all. Alba. Looking for Severano. Severano. Go! Kick out pass. So Alba. Short. On Magalyon. Now Magalyon. Look Bob. Crooks. Crooks. Oh! Now Severano. Severano. Severano pass to go. Go. It's nice defense on Magalyon. It's 14 to shoot. 9 minutes. 37 all. Our fourth. And luck of the game. De Leon. Side step. Boom! De Leon. Now 39-37. It's 2-point lead on Manila. Now it's raining now in Manila. Magalyon. It's guarded by De Leon. Now Alba.
Alba! Mavi. Pilarca.
Yes, on Pilarca. 39 all. 39 all. Go! Guarded by Crooks. Where are you go? Now Magalyon. Wala naman Severano. Nice move by Magalyon. Side step. Looking for Mavi. Mavi. Fake. Mavi. In and out by Mavi. It's now Severano. Now Severano. Severano all the way. Favorite layup of Severano. It's 41-39. 1 point lead now Manila. Now Crooks. Still we're live on the Facebook page. Short. Now rebound ng Magalyon. Foul. Foul on number 13 on Severano. First on Severano. First team foul on Manila. Too strong shot. Wow, goal! 43 now to 39. It's 4-point lead on Manila. Time out on Misamis. And this timeout is still brought to you by Aldar Suites Abu Dhabi. Skilled workers. Basketballista. And we'd like to thank the Door Aparador is in the house. (7 minutes and 20 seconds). Now Mavi. Crooks. Fake. Drive. Looking for Magallanes. Magallanes. 1 fake, 2 fake. Looking for Mavi. 40-10 to shoot. Mavi. 3-second violation on Misamis. It's 7 minutes.
Bigay, sit!
Too strong. Tap. Alba. 14 shot clock.
Shooter, bigay! Baba!
Now Magallanes. Drive. Looking for Crooks. Crooks, where are you? Short. Tap. Alba. It's Alba to go all the way. Alba. It's 45-39. Now 6-point lead on Manila. It's running time now in Manila. 45 against 39. Crooks. Short. Mavi. Nice defense on Bicho. Now De Leon. Now where go again. Foul on Magallanes. It's first on Misamis. First team foul on Magallanes.
Dalawa?
46-39. It's 7-point lead on Manila. Crooks. Magallanes. It's 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Magallanes. 5 to shoot. Now De Leon move. Foul. Foul on Mavi. First team foul on Misamis. Short. Alba. Oh! Alba. It's 49-39.
What happened?
Foul. Foul number 13 on Soberano. Substitute sa rep.
Soberano second.
Second on Soberano.
Second team po.
Second team foul on Manila. Fourteen to shoot. Foul.
24.
Foul on 24 on De Leon. It's 13 foul on Manila.
Yan second.
Wala tayo sama.
Now 14 to 49. It's 9-point lead on Manila. Rebound by Picho. Go. De Leon. Top. Let it fly. Short. Black. It's Pilarca. Now Magallanes. Mavi. Now Crooks. 1-1 by De Leon. Magallanes. Oh, in and out on Magallanes. It's 49 to 44 minutes. Alba is still on Crooks. Now it's 4-on-2. Pilarca pass to Crooks. Crooks favorite shot. Bang! On Crooks. Now 49 to 42. Short. Top. Alba. Foul. Now 13 foul on Misamis.
Foul on.
Foul left. Foul on number 24 on Pilarca. Now 50 to 42. 8-point lead on Manila. Now Magalon, Mabi. Mabi, favorite shot. Again, in and out. Oh, no, still may Magalon. Now Magalon. Magalon pick. Magalon scoop, short up. Bicho. Now let it fly. Looking for Alba. Yes, on Alba. It's 3 minutes and 20. Steal again. Let it fly. Let it fly. Kelsey. It's 54-42. All by Manila. It's 6-0 run coming from Manila. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Magalon. 1-1 by Alba. Alba. Mabi. Nice pass outside. It's 5 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Time out on Manila.
Bakit lahat ng connect mo sila?
Two minutes and 39 seconds.
I'm not moving.
Foul! Foul on number 22 on Bicho. Warning for penalty on Manila first on Bicho.
Ay,
2 minutes and 35 seconds. Last throw by Cabrera. Now Ripamaticho, 2 minutes and 30. Keljem, let it fly. Looking for go, still by Pilarca. Now Pilarca, 3-2, Pilarca, zigzag, Crocs, let me fly, play Crocs, Cabrera back, Cabrera pound. Foul on Bicho. Second on Bicho. Now Manila and penalty. Now 43 against the 54.
parang 10 na.
Cabrera.
Oh. Magaling.
Magalon. Short again by Magalon. Now Alba. Alba move. Alba to throw. Now goal. Let it fly. Kelden. It's 56-43. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Crooks. Magalon. 14 to shoot.
Pilarca. Mavi.
Yes, and selfish pass coming from Isang is 45-56. 1 minute and 30 seconds. De Leon, third. De Leon, nice pass, nice move. Foul. Foul on Cabrera. Person Cabrera, warning penalty on Misamis. 57. Oh! Dilihan agad. Too strong, top, Picho. Go! Pilar ka. 1-1 by Kenjen. Magayon. It's 3-2. Crocs. Oh, inanatag by Crocs. It's 1 minute. Let it fly. Let it fly. It's rolling. Rolling violation on let it fly.
Huli!
Oh, yan.
Bawi! Good, good!
47 seconds, 47.
Alba! Mabi, mabi! Lakaran Jen! Uy!
Foul.
Kill. First, kill.
Penalty tere, penalty. 43 seconds, 43.
Ilan natin?
It's 57 to 45, 12-point lead on Manila. Now 57-46. 11-point lead on Manila. It's 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. De Leon. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, De Leon. 60 to 46. 15 seconds. Foul. Foul on go. Penalty red. Two free throw shot by Miguel. It's 46 against 60. Now 47, 60.
Okay.
10 seconds.
Oras ha, oras!
High.
Good! Sige! Shot! Out!
And for fourth quarter, our score is 60 against the 47. Last quarter, last quarter. It's Manila versus Misamis. Our inter-province category. I'm Basketballista. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Now De La Cruz. Tingol. Black. Now Kojo. Still on Subirano. Now Subirano, guarded by Calatuche. Subirano, yo-yo move. Top. Subirano again, De La Cruz. Short. Now, Galang. Galang time, it's Galang time, it's foul. Foul on number 4. 40. On De La Cruz. First on De La Cruz. First team foul on Manila. Now Kojo. 14 to shoot. Calatuche. 10. Short by Galang. So, back-to-back short. It's 9 minutes. Now, Subirano.
Set. Backdoor, backdoor.
Tagungtong. Pinggol. Pinggol. Again, too strong. Di ba? 14 to shoot. Black foul. Foul on number 32. On Misamis. First on Misamis. (61 to 47). Now 62 to 47. It's 15-point lead on Manila.
Kojo to galang. Pipito.
Now Mailman, Eugenio, 14 to shoot. Mailman. Air ball. Rebound. Intercepted by Kalajuche. 14 to set clock. Kalajuche. Kojo. Your step foul.
Marcel.
Foul on number 5 for Marcelo. Marcelo, fourth foul. Marcelo, warning on Marcelo.
First.
Second team foul on Manila. 8 minutes. Short. In and out, Pinggol. Now De La Cruz. Marcelo. Back to De La Cruz, 14 to shoot. Tagungtong.
Nice one.
Now, Subirano again. Interceptor Subirano, 14 to set clock. Foul. Oh, he's stepping on the line. On Subirano. Substitution rep, sub rep. Kalajuche.
Nasagi lang yun, nagsasensitive naman eh. Tumayo lang ako, nangawit din ako. Such a sensitive.
Masisira ito matumbala.
Now, Subirano. 7 minutes. 10 to shoot.
Bola. Nice one. Konti.
Oh, 100 shot coming from Tagungtong.
Oh.
Whoa, Nicolas. 49-64. It's 15-point lead still Manila. It's rolling by your legend. On Marcelo.
Tapos yung tinawagan. Wala.
Kojo. Tap. Five minutes.
Bola sa bola.
40 to shoot. It's offensive foul on Tagungtong. 13 foul on Manila. First on Tagungtong. 4 minutes and 50. Kalajuche. Eugenio. 1-1 by Subirano. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. Pinggol.
Tawid.
It's 4 minutes and 20. 14 to shoot.
Yan, atake. 3 seconds.
Grabe naman yun.
Now, Galang time, in and out. It's De La Cruz. Tingol. 4 minutes. Subirano, 14 to shoot. Marcelo. 66 to 49. It's 17-point lead on Manila. Kalachuche, Kojo.
Tagungsong. Second.
Aaron Tagutong, time out on Misamis. The second team personal foul on Tagutong, warning on Manila.
Anong tinura sa kanya? Sino na? Sir Jerry? San Binil?
Ako na parang gusto mong babayad sila. Sila ba?
Hindi nga wala nga akong bago.
Hindi niya muna yung bola.
Now 50 to 66, 16-point lead on Manila. Now 51, 66, 15 point on Manila.
First
Foul on Galang. Second team foul on Misamis, first on Galang. 3 minutes and 19. Now Katongtong, Marcelo. Yes, on Marcelo. 3 minutes. Galang time, oh, what's Galang time? 53 against the 68. Now the mailman, Eugenio, the mailman, bang! Now 55 to 16, 13-point lead on Manila. Keljam, let it fly, steal again. Pipito. The mailman is time out on Manila. It's 57 to 16. 1-point lead on Manila.
Lahat ng kon may time out ang Manila.
Two minutes and 32 seconds. It's a 4-0 run coming from Misamis. Alba. Tagutong. Oh, let it fly. Cousin. Kojo. 2 minutes and 12. Marcelo. Oh, it's goal. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Out.
Go.
Out of goal. Third on goal. Penalty. One minute and 46 seconds.
Sa simula lang talaga mo.
Now 58 to 472. Tagumtong. Still on Kojo. It's Kojo now. Kojo, nice pass. Still again on Tagumtong. Baseball pass. Let it fly, let it fly, let it fly. Short. Down the mainland. Foul. Foul on Alba. It's penalty.
Alba first.
First against Alba.
$8.45. 1:24. 1 minute 24.
72-59, 1 minute and 24 seconds. All by Manila. It's 13-point lead on Manila. Now 60 against the 72. Go. Marcelo. Go again. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Ah. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 13 foul on Misamis. Second personal foul on Eugenio. It's 1 minute and 5. It's 13 foul on Misamis. 1 minute and 5. 14 to shoot. 11 to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. 1 minute. Five. Now Galang. Kojo. Back. Oh! Nice pass on Kojo. 62. 72. 10-point lead now on Manila. 40 seconds.
8 seconds.
Foul. 35 seconds. 35. Warning for penalty on Misamis. Foul on Kalatuche. Second on Kalatuche. 35 seconds. 35.
Alba.
It's 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 27 seconds.
Okay.
5.
Dad.
21 seconds. 21.
Baba. Trap. Silence.
Short. 15. 10. 5 seconds. And we have a good game. Its winner is Mandela. 72 against 62.